Hi, today in this video we are going to talk about multiple pricing level. That means you can define now price for retailer, trader, wholesaler, distributor, whatever you want. Now you can define multiple pricing in Bookkeeper Windows version 7.0.6. The another most demanded feature, price list. You can define price list, and according to the pricing level, according to a customer type, you can define. Okay, let me give you a quick overview. I'm just writing it down so that you can have a look. So you can define how many levels of pricing. So how to do it? Go to transaction settings. There is option enable multiple pricing. You can enable it, and you can define pricing level whatever you want, customer, distributor, retailer, wholesaler. You can enable all four. You can disable one of them or whatever you want. You can change the label as well, like you want to name the distributor, maybe the dealer, maybe wholesaler, whatever you want. So you can do it via transaction settings and then enable multiple pricing. I'm just writing it down so that it is easy for you to remember. So I have enabled it, and let me just save it. Yes, now in the items you can define the prices. There are it is asking so many prices, so now you can define the prices for customer, for wholesaler, for retailer, for distributor. You can define prices. Okay, I have defined for all four of them. Let me write for distributor as well. Yes, I have written for distributor as well. So I am just saving it. Now let's check in the accounts. Let me you can define the pricing in accounts, in customers, which type of customer is this, which pricing level you want to apply. So let's go to customers, and I am creating new customer. There is new field pricing level, so I have defined Mohan, and in pricing level you can decide which pricing level you want to apply. For example, for retail, I want to apply the retailer pricing to Mohan. And let me create one more customer, Sohan, and this time I am selecting, say, wholesaler, and let's save it. Yes, so I have created two customer and defined two different pricing level for them, just to demonstrate you so that you can understand it better. So let me just write it down. You can enable multiple pricing. You can define customer type, or I would say pricing level in for customers, and of course you can define the pricing in item. Let's make a voucher now. I will make a voucher, and let's see how pricing it fetched, how pricing it displayed. So I have selected Mohan. Here in pricing level you can redefine if you want to override, so you can do it. So let me just write it down so that you don't miss a point. You can define the pricing level at a time of billing as well. I'm selecting guitar, so now pricing coming 12,000 rupees because I have selected Mohan, who is a retailer. Okay, so different pricing is coming for Mohan. So I'm going to create again, and this time I am going to select a Sohan. Yes, Sohan, who is a wholesaler. So let's see pricing. This time price will be different. So for guitar, price is coming 8,000 rupees. Are you getting it? For different customers, you can define different pricing. Okay. Now let's create up on cash. In cash also you can define whether your customer is distributor or a retailer or whatever you have defined in the pricing, you can do it. You can select, and accordingly price will be displayed. Okay, so you can change in the buyer detail while creating the bill. You can define, you can select the pricing level not only on customers but also on cash. Okay, so I'm just writing it down, the same point. Depending on pricing level, rate will be displayed. Okay, let's go to one more point. Because you are already using bookkeeper from long time, you want to update. You will go here, import item and service from Excel. You want to update your existing item. You can do the same procedure, but we have added one more option: download existing item in Excel. That means items which your bookkeeper already have, you can export them in Excel and then update the price and import it back. So new option has been added to update your existing items. You can export first, then make the changes and import it back. Okay, no need to write everything again. You can export, make the change in the rate or whatever you want, and then import it back. That's all about the multiple pricing. If you need some help, you can always write to us, support@bookkeeperapp.net, and you can download the latest software from this link or help download beta program. Version number is 7.0.6. Thank you very much.